Welcome to Nitya the Dhaba, a dhaba where the owner is beginner like you and is trying hands on dishes that looks absolutely I'll also be rating them on a scale of 10 at the end. For this Father's Day, I was wondering which dish would be the one that would lead the way to Papa's heart. And chole bhature was the classic way to go. इसलिए for the first episode of making things I've never made before, I gave myself the toughest one maybe. प्लान थोड़ा सडन था तो छोले अच्छे से गर्म पानी में सोक किए एंड आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स आई बॉइल्ड देम विद अ पीस ऑफ आंवला. नाउ फॉर द भटूरा आई फाउंड दिस माँ की रेसिपी डायरी में अ क्विक वे एंड इक्वली गुड एज द फर्मेंटेड स्टार्टेड वन फॉर भटूरा. एंड द सीक्रेट वाज सोडा वाटर. सब ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिक्स करके आई नेट द डो विद सोडा एंड सम ऑयल. आई ओनली हैड टू कीप इट फॉर 30 minutes. कैन यू इमेजिन? Until then, chole were ready to meet its bestie, the tadka. With some jeera, kadi patta, hing, and then goes the unsung hero, onion tomato puree. And to beat thele wale bhaiya, I made some simple masala with long, dhania powder, black cardamom, and ajwain. Using this ghar wala masala and some ready-made chole masala, I finished it off with boiled chole. It was again time to check the dough or to actually overcome my fear. नाउ बचपन से स्टेशन के छोले भटूरे या आलू भटूरे तो बहुत खाए हैं, बट बनाए नॉट इवन इन माई ड्रीम्स. I have no idea why, but frying puri or bhatura is like a task. I know damn well that if I try, they won't fluff and round up as it does when माँ makes it. पर प्यार से बनी हुई चीज़ तो खा ही लेंगे, I guess. Mind you, I didn't do so good at the first try. एकदम पापड़ जैसा भटूरा to look at. Small air pockets with ढेर सारा crispy ends. But थोड़ा oil temperature and thickness control के बाद I had a perfect balloon bhatura. The main dish was ready. It was time for the fancy दिखने वाला पापड़. With all the जुगाड़, I made a पापड़ की कटोरी and filled it up with chaat because everyone in our family loves chaat. Onions, tomato, curd, aloo bhujia, anar and chutney, and it was ready to serve in 5 minutes. Plated everything together on a fancy dhaba table so that Sundarta could compensate for me being a beginner. But don't you worry, Nitya the Dhaba did not fail. Wait for the scores in the end, which are by Papa in regard of taste and also by me for the regard of ease. Jab tak I plate everything, comment down below what would you like me trying or what would you challenge this dhaba with. Everything on the set looked too good to be true. I also baked a French dessert for Meethe ke Shaukin Papa with cherries. It was the most fanciest thing ever. I'll be showing that in part 2, so subscribe to stay tuned. Score time is coming around. Before that, comment down below what would you rate them based on these pictures. And drum rolls please. It's score time. Papad Katori gets straight 10 for ease and 9.5 for taste, and Chole Bhature are 8.5 on ease but 9.7 on taste. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video and comment down below what should I make next. Subscribe to Nitya the Dhaba for more videos and share to all the friends that say they are beginner and tell them to stop using that as an excuse. Follow along on Instagram from link in description below. I have attached the recipe in description too. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.